And Missouri hospitals are treating 989 COVID-19 patients. That's a 64% drop since the first week of January. In the Kansas City Metro, the daily average of new hospitalizations is down to 96. However, the Metro is reporting an unusually high number of new cases, more than 5,600. Now, the Mid-America Regional Council says that is because of a delay in a month's worth of data from one county. And a Clay County, Missouri initiative to get COVID-19 shots into arms continues today. KC9's Martin Augustine is in the Northland, where Operation Safe is today, and so far it has vaccinated more than 10,000 people.
It has been a pretty successful campaign so far, but there's still a lot of work to do for Operation Safe now that it's got its second COVID vaccination clinic going here out of 4 this week here on the campus at Cerner, right across the street from North Kansas City Hospital. Now, Operation Safe, we have to emphasize, offers appointment-only clinics, no walk-ups. The first step in arranging an appointment is completing a vaccine interest form. You're going to find those on the Clay County Health Department's website, clayhealth.com, under the Operation Safe heading. And a lot of you are doing that. 80,000 submissions of that form so far, and of those, nearly 10,500 of you have received a shot. Operation Safe is a coordinated effort among Clay County cities and other entities such as North Kansas City Hospital, Cerner, William Jewell College II, with the express purpose of getting as many people vaccinated from COVID-19 as possible. But all of that starts with filling out that form. Once you do that, it allows Operation Safe to figure out if you're eligible for the shot, and if you are, then arrange to make that appointment. Martin Augustine, KBC 9 News.
By the way, Martin has links to that form up now on his Twitter and Facebook pages. You'll also find them on our KBC Facebook page. Well, Kansas City, Missouri's Vaccine Task Force will present its recommendations to the City Council this afternoon. The meeting starts at 2 o'clock. Mayor Quentin Lucas had assembled the task force last month, all in an effort to make sure that everybody gets a fair shot at getting vaccinated against the coronavirus. And also today, Governor Parson got a first-hand look at the vaccination effort in Missouri. He visited 2 mass vaccination events in St. Louis. Earlier, he visited Pfizer's Chesterfield facility. He'll give an update from the state capitol soon. Meanwhile, the governor is standing by his claims that the vaccine has been administered equally and efficiently to Missourians across the state, despite numbers showing a smaller percentage of doses going to larger communities based on population. Now, here in the Metro, the governor says that we get more than 14,000 doses per week. It's sent to places like Truman Medical Center, Liberty Hospital, St. Luke's HCA, and the Cass Regional Medical Center. And today, Kansas Governor Laura Kelly will make an announcement on vaccine efforts in the state. That's coming up at 4 p.m. We'll have any updates on there and online at KNBC.com. And planners for city and state mass vaccination clinics are starting to see a repeat problem. Organizers at Cerner's mass vaccination events say the people have been showing up unexpectedly, which is creating a backlog. Cass County also saw a few people do the same thing, but organizers say most people there did have appointments scheduled and everything else they needed to receive a shot.
Sign up and be patient. I mean, I know that's really hard to do when people, like on our list, they've been waiting for 2 months, and make sure we're trying to get it as fairly as possible.
Well, Cass County health officials say they are scheduling appointments based on who filled out the vaccine form first and who needs it the most. Well, we know that you have questions about the vaccine. Know that we are working day and night to answer them on our website. We're also posting state and county specific information on vaccines from local health officials. That includes who will qualify for a vaccine and how and when to sign up. You can find all of this at KNBC.com/vaccine.